I'm at Tabby Drive in Spencer's Wood, and I'm about to show you one of our latest properties coming to the market. This is a 2-bedroom mid-terraced home, very well presented throughout. We're in a traffic-free position. It does have allocated parking to the rear of the property. The owner's done some lovely things here, including a landscape garden at considerable expense. It's ideal for first-time buyers, possibly even landlords looking for a rental. Let me walk you through and see what you think. Okay, so coming through the front door, we've got a small entrance hall with coat hanging to my right hand side. To my left, door to ground floor WC. Just got window to front, wash basin and WC. So coming in from the entrance lobby into the open plan lounge, kitchen and dining space. So as you'll see straight ahead, we've got the lounge at the end, doors out to garden, and as I spin round, we've got a dining area here in the middle with a nice modern kitchen area. So all the appliances as you'd expect, obviously built-in oven and hob, storage, space there for fridge, freezer, etc. All very nicely presented. Stairs just off to the left, and some useful storage built in under the stairs. Nice well-defined living area. So we've got a combination of carpet and laminate floor down here. Just turning back to give you a view of the whole room itself. While we're down here, I'll show you the garden. Now the owners have spent a lot of money here having this landscaped. This lush green grass is actually AstroTurf, so you've got year-round green grass. Nice paved area. Gate to my left here for access out to the parking area. So you might notice some nice planting here just to the side along the fence. Gives it a nice feeling of maturity with the vine across the patio doors as well. On the first floor, bathroom at the top of the landing, a modern white suite with a tiled floor. Rear facing bedroom, both bedrooms are double in size. You'll see in this one they've got 2 bunk beds, 2 children of course, but it does show obviously the size of the space. And the view out to the rear into the garden. You can also see the parking area just beyond, which I'll show you shortly. And then the front bedroom, again, good size double. You can see they've got a bed and a large work from home desk. And as we look out to the front of the property, we'll see we're in a walkway position with quite a lot of shrubbery between us and the houses opposite. There is also a large built-in wardrobe there as well. So stepping out from the garden through the rear gate, we're now into the parking area. There is an allocated parking space just here for this property. And in addition, there are several visitor bays all marked with a V. So there is visitor parking here, and just out onto the road there is unrestricted parking out on the road and in some lay-by areas as well. So that concludes the video tour of this property in Tabby Drive today. If you like further details, do get in touch. We're ready to start viewings and we'd love to show you around.